How's it going, guys? Just snuck up the creek at low tide. Don't know how we made it, but we did. Just getting a bit of live bait at the moment. A few prawns getting around in here. Plan for tonight is hopefully get a few barra. Got Monique with us today, carrying the bait bucket. Like, we get a bit of bait and get these lines in the water. Pre-use some lures first, see how we go. Then as it gets dark, we'll put the baits out. Now let's get some bait. A few prawns just hanging around the shallows here. There we go. I've got a couple in here. A few prawns in there.
I'll go get some water. They aren't that much.
Well, anyways, that's what we're going to be using for bait tonight. Try and get some mullet later on, since I prefer mullet over these guys because everything eats these. You get the good barra on the prawn, or the mullet. Now let's keep a few of these for now and see how we go. We threw the lures around for a little bit for the last 20 minutes of daylight and got a few bites here and there, but we've gone casting a few mullet now. A few good sized ones. We've got a few prawns in there too, as you can see. There you go, nice mullet, good barra baited up. Hopefully it gets smashed. These prawns here, rig him up. Just using a size 5, just normal J hook tonight. And also just running the 80-pound leader down to a sinker. I've got it so it doesn't run. Anyway, that should get him. Get him in the water and see if we get one. Having jags there pretty loose. They can run with it. Just getting a bit of run at the moment. You slow down again. Yeah, the good old cod, eh? Good on, eh? Bloody hills, eh? There's that. Bloody good old eel, eh? About a metre long. No barra, but hopefully they show up. There we go. Don't come back, mate. Old barra can. I think we've finally hooked the barra. Come here, mate. He's coming towards me, this bloke. Hey, little fella. Get done it. He's such a good like, eh? Oh, there he goes. Ah, well, he looked a bit undersized anyways. Ah, a bit of fun, eh? At least we finally got onto the boat. Pretty happy with that. That's the go. We'll put another mullet on there and try and get another one. New mullet going out there. Get a bigger one, eh? What have we got here? Just hooked onto something here. Might be a barra, I think. Or a shark, hope it's not. What is he? Oh, good old barra. Let's try and land this one, eh? It's not a bad one either. This is the biggest one for the night. If we get to the boat. Chuck us a net, eh? It's not ready yet. Got me around his gill rakers, so hope you're going to cut me off. Come here, bud. Got him. The first barra in the boat for the night. He looks about a 65, 70 model. Not a bad size barra, eh? He's just pinned in, just in the side of the mouth here. See how lucky are we? Just pinned in the side. There he is. Oh yeah, that's him there. Give him a measure. Where's he coming in at? Well, we'll just say he's about 72 centimetres. There he is. Nice 72 centimetre barra. Took all night to get him, eh? We lost about, I think, 6 barra at the end of it. Lost one at the boat there, undersized one. But yeah, well worth it on the live mullet. Stoked. Anyways, that's going to be the end of this video. Ended up getting one nice barra in the boat. Ended up measuring 72 centimetres. Can't complain with that. It's not bad for the amount of rain we've had lately. We've been raining for the past about 3 weeks, so water's filthy still. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.